This is Marty with Ralayla Creates. Welcome back to my channel. I have another entry into the giveaway that Danielle over at Pink Zebra the Unicorn Crafter and I are hosting for our birthday. It's called Decorate Our Birthday. Sorry about that, guys. My camera cut off in the middle of filming. I don't know why, but it did. I'm so sorry, Tami. But guys, let me show you what Tami created. Isn't this stunning? This is just a star die. It's got the stitching around it that she's punched out in several different papers and stacked them. And there's, if you turn it sideways, you can look it down in there and you can see that there's a bunch of little pieces of sticky foam to raise it up to make it 3D. And it's a true 3D because if you flip it over, you can see the other side. It is just a gorgeous ornament. I love it. And this trim at the top is gorgeous. It's perfect for it. And here's her tag. It's got her name on it and her channel name, which is Tami Stamping Therapy. That was part of the request for the challenge, was to put the name on there so that we always remember who gave us what. This is just beautiful, and blue is my favorite color. It is stunning. She made that one, and she made this other one here. Isn't that lovely? She's used a circle scallop, and then on top of it she's put a circle die that has the stitching on the edge, around the edge, and then she's made a 3D Christmas tree on top. Look at that. And then there's a beautiful ribbon attached. And again, she has her name on the back. Tami Stamping Therapy is her channel. It is just gorgeous. I love it. I don't know which one's my favorite. I love both of them. But Tami, thank you so much for making these for me and for participating in our giveaway, challenge giveaway. But Tami also included some goodies. Now, like I said, it's my second time recording, so I had opened this, and I am sorry. I don't know why my phone turned itself off. But she also sent me these little silver jingle bells, which is great because I don't have any that small. And then a bunch of little doodads here. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous with the flowers? And then you got like little stamp pieces right there. And there's a circle one. There's a dove. This one says love. Another floral. And all these little pieces isn't that adorable? And these are little buckles right here. Little heart. So thank you, Tami. I really appreciate that. I don't have anything like this. Well, I got a few buttons. I do have a few buttons. That is so sweet of you. And she has also included this pumpkin spice scented sachet. Excuse me, tongue-tied. Smells a lot like cinnamon. It smells really good. Thank you so much, Tami. That is awful sweet of you. But there was another package from Tami as well. And I'll show you, at the end, I'll show you a picture of these on my tree, because that's where I'm going to hang them. I saw Tami make this in one of her videos, and what she used was one of the containers that you put the dies in, and she just decorated that. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I love the snowman. Gorgeous paper, and you open it up and it's like a desk set. you've got a notepad over here, which she's altered to match. And you have a calendar right here. There's a little pocket where you can put like a business card or something like that. And then a matching pen to go with it. Isn't that clever? A whole desk set you could take with you. That is awesome. Thank you so much, Tami. I enjoyed watching you create this. Had no idea you were sending it to me. Thank you so much. I think it's lovely. Now, I'll leave a link to Tami's channel down below. Y'all need to check her out. She really does some awesome work. Well, Tami, you have a very good chance of winning. There's only 3 people in the drawing. Each person has 2 entries because you made a video, and then you made a video response, and you also made the ornament that was sent in. So each person did the same. So there's only a few entries, and that means you have a very good chance. You have a 1 in 3 chance of winning my giveaway, which will be posted later tonight. Okay, guys, that's it for me. Please go over and check out Tami's channel. It's Tami Stamping Therapy, and I suck at making cards, and she is wonderful at making them. She just has a lot of paper craft. You'll thoroughly enjoy her channel. Thanks, guys. Merry Christmas.